Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video with your boy Chance. I know I haven't seen you guys in a while, or you guys haven't seen me in a while, but I'll explain why you guys haven't seen me in such a long time. Today we are taking something very special out, and yeah guys, we are taking the E30. My boy Mix was helping us do some maintenance work on the car. There's a few parts that we got, but what we did was an oil change and some coolant. These other stuff we're still gonna do eventually, but not now. But yeah, huge shout out to my boy Mix for assisting with doing some maintenance on the box. But guys, isn't it crazy to have an E30 and an E36 in one garage? Though this car is not getting no love, but yeah, we're still gonna take this engine out and most probably put it in this car, but I'm not so sure anymore guys. I think I wanna keep the car as OEM and stock as possible. Maybe eventually get another E30 shell, maybe possibly a 2-door, and put the multi-valve engine. Let me show you the engine, and possibly put this engine in another E30 and just keep this one as OEM as possible guys. Of course with our modifications that we plan to do, but I don't know, we might still do the multi-valve engine swap in this car. But yeah, but it's really crazy to have an E36 and an E30 in one garage. So mad. So guys, to explain why you guys haven't seen me in a while, I've had some technical issues. My hard drive just died on me with so much content on it. I think I had like 2 or 3 events that I haven't edited or uploaded for you guys, so which just made me feel numb. But it's whatever man. I guess that was a lesson for me guys, so I need to edit and upload content much quicker for you guys. So let's just do that. Apologies guys for not putting up some content for you guys, but yeah, now that we have to get another hard drive, I guess we just have to edit and upload it quickly for you guys, so that might be a benefit for both of us.
Why you always lying?
But yeah guys, right now I'm actually heading to meet up with my boy Keegan at Regina Mundi, Sasol Garage, and then we're gonna head out to the event, JHB versus PTA, PTA versus JHB, same shit. Before we go any further guys, please just make sure to like the video for us, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and yeah, let's go have some fun today in the box. It's actually nice to take out this car because we really haven't enjoyed it since we took delivery of it. So well, today is the first day that we're gonna stretch its legs a bit. So yeah, well, after the maintenance that we did yesterday with Migs and Keegan and Keandre, the car rides nice and smoothly guys. So yeah, well, I'll see you guys in a few. Hope you guys will enjoy today's video, and yeah, peace.
10 seconds later.
So yeah guys, I just met up with my boy. We're gonna head to Swartkops for the PTA versus JHB event, and yeah, I'll see you just now. I don't know, we're 6 kilometers in and we have 27 k's to that, yeah.
What did he say?
So that means 21 k's going.
One eternity later.
Oh guys, that was a long drive, but yeah, we just made it over to Swartkops. Is it Swartkops or is it Swartkops? Whatever it is, but yeah, we just made it now, and yeah, hopefully it's a good day guys. Just hope so guys. Not wasting too much time, I want to show you this clean E34. I like the wheels though, might be a bit damaged there. You guys like it? Oh, I'm in love with the wheels. It's a 540. Oh, luckily we parked inside. We got tickets to park inside, so yeah, that's cool. Look at this big head. Yeah, Keandre. Say hi, Keandre. I don't know what car this is, but it looks so clean. What car is this?
I don't know.
Keandre? What car is this?
Like the Escort.
Escort. Yeah.
But I think it's a Ford.
So guys, I just read the slip on the car. It's a Ford Cortina. I'm not sure what year model it is though. And it's boosted. So guys, I was gonna give you guys a walk around, but I'm just gonna give you guys full cinematics. The music, like you guys can hear, is too loud. So I really hope you guys will enjoy it. And yeah. Peace.
Few moments later.
Raffle ticket for raffle winner for the day. Go out, grab your prize, my man. Well done, well done. Let's take a picture. Let's give him a round of applause. Well done. 100 arts. Lovely, thank you.
Take all of it, all of it. Sure, open the box. Open the box. Open the box. It mustn't be empty.
Guys, something crazy just happened. Keegan and I entered this competition of winning air suspension, and yo, I chose the lucky number 49. And guys, guess what?
Here we go.
The box is new suspension. No more going static for the box.
Yeah, no.
So yeah, guys, going straight to bags. But yo, this is mad. This is mad.
3 days later.
Hey guys, I really forgot to shoot an outro for the video. Like you guys can tell, this is another day. But yeah, I really hope you guys like the video regardless. And yeah guys, I'm really stoked on winning the air suspension kit. I've never, not even once, ever won any type of competition. And now we won the raffle ticket draw. So yeah guys, I'm really stoked that we can now scrap or take off the suspension aspect of the BMW build. I really hope you guys are just as excited as I am to fit or install the air suspension kit on the BMW E30. And yes guys, we're gonna do another video of unboxing the air suspension kit, but that might be on another video. So yeah, please make sure to be on the lookout for that. But yeah man, but yeah guys, please make sure to like and subscribe if you guys have not done so already. We're now on 2.4k subs. The next target is like 5k, but ideally we just need to get to 10k subs guys. Please just help the channel to get there quickly, so please click the subscribe button guys. Please also do the same for my boy Keegan, Mr. General Productions. My boy is on his road to 1,000 subscribers now. Like you guys know, of course, we have his link to his channel down the description box below, so please make sure to go there and subscribe to his channel. And yeah guys, yeah, I guess I'll see you guys on another video. Take care. Peace.